In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable Planner using Claude AI. You first open Claude AI and start a new chat. Once the chat window is ready, paste in a prompt that tells Claude to create a planner system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The planner should include a table for planning with fields for task name, category, schedule date, status, priority, notes, and owner. It should also include calendar-based scheduling, a simple workflow, and a fully configured setup that is ready to use. After pasting the prompt, submit it and allow Claude to generate the planner structure in Airtable. Next, go to Airtable and open your workspace. In your workspace, look for the newly created planner base. This is the base Claude generated from your request. Open it and review the overall setup to make sure the base was created successfully. Now, open the main planner table. Check that all the key fields are present. You should see fields for the task name, category, schedule date, status, priority, notes, and owner. Take a moment to confirm that the field types are working correctly. The schedule date field should allow proper date selection. The status field should support workflow updates. The priority field should be easy to sort or filter. The owner field should be available for assignment. After that, switch to the calendar view. This view will help you see your planned tasks by date. It is useful for organizing work over days or weeks and makes it easier to manage scheduling at a glance. Make sure your schedule date field is connected to the calendar so entries appear in the correct place. Once the setup looks correct, begin adding planner entries. Enter a few tasks, assign categories, choose schedule dates, and add any notes you need. You can also set the priority level and assign an owner for each item. This turns the base into a working planner that you can use right away. As you continue using the planner, update the status field to track progress. Change items as work moves forward, such as from not started to in progress or completed. This gives you a simple workflow inside Airtable and helps keep your planning organized. After reviewing the setup and testing a few entries, your Airtable planner is ready to use. You can now manage tasks, schedules, and progress from one place with the help of Claude AI. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.